I found a secret valley where waterfalls sing and sunlight crowns the path. Each step feels like a page turning in a dream. I listen to the forest breathe, and my heart keeps pace. Step into the shadows of Eilean Donan, a castle guarding Highland history. A kind local shares stories as mist brushes our cheeks. Meet the gentle giants of the glens, symbols of Scotland's rugged soul. From the ridge, the valley glows like a living postcard. I drift, listening to quiet rivers draw maps of future adventures. Under starlight, I feel part of a bigger journey. Rest by the fire, sharing stories of the land that captured your soul. In the quiet, feel the eternal pull of Scotland's enchanting embrace. Come discover your own Highland secret. Your adventure awaits in Scotland.